हाय स्टूडेंट्स, गुड मॉर्निंग। अभी मेरे हिसाब से बजे हैं सुबह के 9। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। आज सेशन 4 to 6 हम कवर करेंगे वर्ड पावर में इंग्लिश का। उससे पहले आई होप आप लोग बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं और लाइफ में सब अच्छा चल रहा है। और अगर सब अच्छा नहीं चल रहा, सो ऑलवेज रिमेम्बर दैट रेनी डे इट ऑलवेज गोज अवे। सो हमेशा जो काले बादल होते हैं वो छट ही जाते हैं। कोई प्रॉब्लम, कोई परेशानी, कुछ भी चल रहा है, रिमेम्बर ज्यादा टाइम लास्ट नहीं करेगी। एंड बी स्ट्रॉन्ग, बिलीव इन योर सेल्फ and believe in others. Parents, believe in your friends, believe in yourself. Most important, believe in yourself and just focus on doing. क्योंकि सी आप सोचते रहोगे कि मैं करूं, बट जब तक आप एक्शन नहीं लोगे तब तक नहीं होगा। तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? नो एक्शन अलग, राइट? सो आप एक्शन लें किसी भी चीज के लिए। इफ यू वांट समथिंग, इफ यू वांट टू डू समथिंग, जस्ट टेक एक्शंस। बीइंग अ टीचर, मैं आपको बताती हूँ, आप लोग को लगता होगा कि ठीक है, मैम को तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती होगी, या सर को तो कुछ नहीं प्रॉब्लम होती होगी। हमारी लाइफ में, सबकी लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम्स है। अपने अपने स्टेज पे सबके लाइफ में प्रॉब्लम्स है। आप लोग छोटे हैं, मैं कभी नहीं कहूंगी कि आपके लाइफ में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होनी चाहिए, आप छोटे हैं। सबके लाइफ में अपने स्टेज के हिसाब से प्रॉब्लम्स हैं। इट्स जस्ट दैट कि हम सबको डील करना ही है, बिकॉज इट इज लाइफ एंड लाइफ इज ब्यूटिफुल। सो जब कुछ ब्यूटीफुल होता है तो थोड़ा थोड़ा मतलब 9 ब्यूटीफुल है तो 1 ऐसा होगा आउट ऑफ 10 कि कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स आएंगी। हमको उनसे डील करना है और आगे बढ़ना है, क्योंकि आगे बढ़ते रहना ही रास्ता है, चॉइस है और सही है, मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंटली। ठीक है, सो लेट्स बिगिन with our class today. So now today what we will be doing, we'll be talking about doctors, right? हम डॉक्टर्स के पास जाते हैं, हम उनसे कंसल्टेशन लेते हैं। दे हेल्प अस डायग्नोस कि आपको ये प्रॉब्लम है। कई बार ऐसा भी होता है कि आपको आपको साइकिक मतलब आप मेंटली आपको लग रहा है कि मुझको प्रॉब्लम है, बट होती नहीं है, वो भी डॉक्टर्स सॉल्व कर देते हैं। होती है प्रॉब्लम, वो भी डॉक्टर्स सॉल्व कर देते हैं। सो डॉक्टर्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, राइट? हम सभी के लिए। सो आज हम डॉक्टर्स के बारे में बात करेंगे। दिस सेशन इज गोइंग टू बी अ शॉर्ट सेशन एज इट इज, एंड जितना भी है वील कवर। सो लेट्स बिगिन। सो लेट मी सिलेक्ट माय पेन। um all right, let me select white color maybe. Yes, here we go. So let's talk about doctors now. So who is this? An internist. Okay. So who is an internist? So basically an internist diagnoses internal organs. So a physician basically. Okay, so there are physicians, and then internist is one type of a physician, right? So how do they help you? How do they diagnose? Through physical examination using an array of tests. Array of tests, basically, many tests, basically. When we say there was an array of food on the dining table, so that means बहुत सारा, बहुत अलग-अलग variety का. So using an array of tests, X-rays, blood chemistry, they also do urinalysis, which is a urine test, cardiogram, and so on. So many tests are there, right? So these people diagnose. General doctors हमारे होते हैं. For example, we have a fever. Uh, we have a fever. So there's this one doctor near our house who's our family doctor also. So we always run to him. We have a cough, we run to them, and then they diagnose ki, okay, this is a normal allergy and you're fine. Also, do not mistake internist for an intern. Okay, so internist, this is a doctor, proper doctor, and an intern is somebody who is working, who is a fresher and is doing their internship in a hospital. Or actually origin इस word का यहीं से हुआ था कि interns जो होते थे वो doctors ही होते थे, जो freshers होते थे. राइट, जूनियर डॉक्टर्स जिनको कहते हैं। बट अब इंटर्न्स हर जगह होते हैं, हर फील्ड में होता है। एचआर इंटर्न होता है, मार्केटिंग इंटर्न होता है, फाइनेंस इंटर्न होता है। ठीक है, सो डू नॉट कंफ्यूज इंटर्निस्ट विद एन intern. Intern is different and internist is different again. So what do this person do? They basically diagnose and they basically, determine the state uh, of our body. They determine the, state of internal organs, basically, that what is happening inside our body, is everything okay and all. So these are our general doctors, right? So this is one, and we can also see a few things about this. For example, this word intern, this comes from internal, जिसके बारे में हम पढ़ते हैं इसमें. So internist and intern, these words have come from same Latin root, which is internus. So now you know that whenever something related to intern come in, intern, internist, internal, so it means inside. Okay, so do not confuse it, as it is, I told you, do not confuse it with intern. Okay, which is also spelled as INTERNE, right? So these people we know now, and our normal doctor, जिनको हम physician कह देते हैं कई बार. But remember that internist is one type of a physician, right? I hope this is clear. Now, next is a gynecologist. Okay, so we always confuse that gynecologist is somebody who helps in deliveries as well, in labor as well. But a gynecologist is somebody who helps with female reproductive and sexual organs. For example, if you're having a reproductive problem, if you, let's say you have UTI, for example. So UTI is a very normal infection, जो usually किसी को भी हो सकता है. So a gynecologist help you with it, right? So they take care of your all the problems related to your sexual organs, right? So this is a gynecologist, women doctor basically. So हमने पढ़ा भी है शायद. So what is a gyne? Gyne means he होता है a woman, right? So a woman who's a specialist of a doctor who's a specialist of women is a gynecologist, which is very simple, right? To understand. What else we can see in this? Women logos, जो कि हमारा आता है इधर, ध्यान से देखना, ठीक है? उसका मतलब होता है science. So basically it is what science, generally basically medical science of women. So gynecologist, medical science of women, very simple. Gyne is women, is woman, and logos, जो कि एक रूट वर्ड है, लैटिन वर्ड है, वो आया है, उसका मतलब है साइंस, राइट? So science, medical science basically, not just science, medical science of women, right? So a gynecologist is an expert. जब यहाँ पे IST लग गया, so it is an expert. For example, हमने बहुत सारे suffix पढ़े थे last class में, right? So for example, IAN is there, right? IAN is there. So IAN is, what is IAN, guys? Something that is that belong to, or relate to. Like this is IAN. Suffix IAN means this, but this is also used to make a noun into an adjective and to also form a noun. Right? If you haven't watched the previous session, watch it. हमने बहुत सारे suffixes पढ़े थे. For example, OUS we learned about. OUS. OUS is full of. Right? So full of what? I'm so sorry for the handwriting. Full of, what is full of? For example, let's say ambitious. Somebody is ambitious, they have an ambition, they want to do something, right? So this is OU. Yes, then we learned about MENT, if you remember. What's happening to the pen? MENT, which means, what does it mean? सोचो सोचो, मैं फटाक से लिख दूंगी. Okay. Anyway, act of, when you are in an act of something. For example, let's say punishment. Let's say argument, right? So these kind of words. Last session में ये मैंने पढ़ाया है अच्छे से in detail. Adjective for gynecologist is gynecological, right? So इसमें हम adjectives भी पढ़ेंगे. So now we know. Now one thing comes. An obstetrician. Right? Who is an obstetrician? The specialist delivers babies and take care of the mother during the immediately after the period of her pregnancy. So basically, पहले जमाने में क्या हुआ करता था कि जो obstetricians होते थे ना, इनको कोई recognition नहीं मिलता था. Almost 1854, I guess, I don't remember exactly tak. And then there was this professor. I cannot recall the name, but unko first time University of I guess still I don't remember the name, but anyway. So उन्होंने उनको वो पहले obstetrician थे, right? So maybe P. Divis, I mean कुछ ऐसे करके उनका नाम था. You can see also on the internet. Yeah. So yes. So he was the first obstetrician. So obstetrician किससे आता है वो हम एक बार सीख लेते हैं. Obstetrician basically आता है एक word से midwife, right? जो कि लेबर जिसका मतलब बेसिकली था, if you look at the Latin word, तो midwife meant to stand, labor stand, right? Yeah, just yeah, labor stand, right? So yes, we've covered this. I can see some of the. Okay, it's okay. We'll do it. Yeah. So yes, midwife से obstetrician was called. कहाँ से आया ये कि midwife से? Midwife were, if you remember, if you've seen some old movies and all. So if it is about 90s or 80s, if the movie is about that, तो आपने देखा होगा कि there's this lady who treats a pregnant woman, who takes care of her. That lady was called a midwife. Okay, so midwives used to take care of a pregnant lady. Then it later converted into an obstetrician when it became, professional, and people started researching, and then they studied a lot. Then it became obstetrician. Usse pehle it was not a profession. Before 1954, they were only called as midwives. Okay, so these people. So gynecologist और हमारे obstetrician, इनमें difference होता है. What is the difference? That gynecologist help you with your sexual organs. Of course, any problem related to that. So people get cervical cancer, right? If you've heard about it. So there are these just a gyan, okay. So it is very important to take cervical cancer vaccines. 3 doses you will have to take. If you are anywhere between 14 to 20, take it right away. Even if you are 25, 30, you can take it. But the right time is that. So these people, gynecologists, treat the problems related to it, whereas obstetrician takes care of the pregnant woman, takes care of the delivery, and takes care of the mother after the pregnancy period also, because there are a lot of things you need to take care, right? So difference याद रखना. If somebody now tells you that I'm going to a gynecologist because maybe your aunt is pregnant or somebody, you can tell them that that's an obstetrician. Okay, so a gynecologist can be an obstetrician as well. Okay. Yes. So obstetrician किससे आया? रूट वर्ड क्या है? ऑब्स्टेट्रिक्स. ठीक है, जिसका मतलब है मिडवाइफ. राइट, ऑब्स्टेट्रिक्स अभी हमने पढ़ा था यहाँ से. So midwife in Latin verb meant meaning to stand. So they stood in labor. Basically, when you deliver a baby, you and the person who's helping you with that stands in front of you, which is a normal thing, right? So these are called midwives, and this because they stand to stand in front of the labor in when you deliver an infant. So that is when that is why this midwife became this, which meant obstetrics, then midwife. Midwife said this came, this word. Okay, Cian, basically CIAN is an expert, and adjective is obstetric or obstetrical, right? Okay, so this is done. Difference we know, gynecologist and obstetrician. Right, now a pediatrician, which is a very interesting thing. Okay, so a pediatrician is specialist or is a friend to children. So what is pedia? So there's this word, ये किस root word से आया? There's this word pedos, ठीक है, जिसका मतलब होता है child, right? अब ये PAD कहीं पे भी आएगा, so you'll know, right? Here. Sorry, spelling? Okay. PAIDOS. Fine. Which means child, right? So, and then there is this word CIAN, which means what? Expert. Okay? So, pedos is a child. So, a pediatrician is somebody who is an expert for children's health. Right? Simple. Now let's learn this. So pediatrician came from pedos, which means child. And this word IATREIA, Iteria, which is, yes, which means medical healing. Okay, so कहीं पे भी ये word आएगा, जैसे कि pediatrician है. Now there is, so that means medical healing. Pediatrics then is by etymology, the medical healing of a child. So pediatrics then by etymology meaning is the medical healing of a child. Adjective is pediatrics. Now there's this word pedagogy. So we know that pedos is a child, right? There's this word agogos, which means leading. Okay. Then there's this word called yes, demos, which means people, right? And then there's this word demagogue. Okay. So demos आया है, this word, this suffix has come from demos, which means people, and agog has come from agogos, which means leading. So a demagogue is somebody who leads people, a leader, maybe a politician. It is a politician. Politicians के लिए use किया जाता था पहले. So इसके पीछे एक story अभी छोटी सी बताती हूँ. Now there's this word pedagogue, which means pedos यहाँ से आया है, pedos से आया है suffix ped, और agog आया है agog से, right? So इसका मतलब क्या हो गया? Somebody who leads children. Okay, so leading, the leading of children, but who leads a children? Who leads a child? Okay, so when a child is born, so parents lead them. When they are around 4, 5, they go to school, nursery, KG, UKG, the teachers start leading them, right? Then experts lead them. So basically, teachers were called a pedagogue. Demagogue is a leader of people, politicians. So before, pedagogue used to be a positive term. ठीक है, so positive term थी क्योंकि एक टीचर था, but now it has become more of like a dogmatic teacher, professor basically, who doesn't want to change, okay, so teachers are always good, okay, but somebody, now it has become a negative term basically. Okay, so if you call somebody a pedagogue, it has become negative. Why? Because now it means that somebody who has restricted, orthodoxic mindset, who is narrow-minded and sticks to one thing, is dogmatic. तो उन लोगों को कहा जाता है. And more now, demagogue used to be a leader of people, was positive. Now it has become a leader who misleads people. Okay. So, but confused होने की जरूरत नहीं है. But anyway, demagogue and pedagogue are who lead the children, and somebody who leads the people. Okay. All right. This was nice. Now, next is a dermatologist. A dermatologist is somebody very, very important. Yes, somebody very, very important, right? A dermatologist. Oh, yes. Wait. Let me clear the screen first. Yes. Okay, so अब आप कहोगे पेडागोजी है मैम, लेकिन पीडियाट्रिशियन है, पीडियाट्रिक्स है, तो आप कहोगे कि मैम ऐसे तो और भी वर्ड्स होते हैं, जैसे कि लेट्स से पेडेस्टल, राइट? जैसे कि पेडेस्ट्रियन, राइट? जैसे कि पेडल, यस पेडल, ये वर्ड्स हुए. तो मैम ये तो पेडेस्ट्रियन तो हम उस पे देखते हैं ना, रोड साइड में लगा होता है एक बोर्ड, उसमें पेडेस्ट्रियन लिखा होता है, एंड देयर इज अ मैन हु इज वॉकिंग इन अ पिक्चर, राइट? So that pathway, that is a pedestrian. You can walk there. Okay, so why this? जब यहाँ पे PED pediatrician आ रहा है, pediatrics आ रहा है, but it is related to children. So how this? So okay, there's this word PEDIS, which means foot. Okay, so when it becomes pedestal, so it means it is related to foot. Some words you'll have to remember: pedestrian, pedal, pedestal. You'll have to remember that these words are related to foot, which comes from the Latin root word PEDIS, pedis. This is your homework. Research how many words related to PEDS root words are there, pedis, and comment them down in the comment box. Write them down in the comment box, right? And I'll check. All right. So don't get confused between this. Now we come to a dermatologist. A dermatologist is somebody who takes care of your skin, right? Who takes care if you're if there's any problem or not. So a dermatologist, basically, what is this person doing? They are treating them, right? maybe some there are these now नए techniques आ गए हैं that you get that hydra glow hydra glow treatment, so which is done by these machines. So a dermatologist is somebody who helps you with your skin. A dermatologist whose specialty is dermatology. So derma means what? Skin. Derma is स्किन. सो यहाँ पे कहीं पे भी डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट आता है तो हम समझ जाएंगे. जैसे कि लेट्स से हाइपोडर्मिक, जैसे कि एपिडर्मिक, ओके सॉरी एपिडर्मिक, राइट. जैसे कि लेट्स से एपिडर्मिस, मे बी not sure. Yeah, epidermis, hypodermic, hypodermic, and yes, taxidermis. Taxidermist, basically. Right? So these words, what does this mean? Hypodermic, hypodermic क्या होगा? So basically, hypo means under or beneath, right? Hypo is under or beneath, ठीक है? Epi is top, जैसे कहते हैं ना हम epitome, you are the epitome of this, right? So that is top. So hypodermis क्या बनता है? Hypodermic क्या बनता है? Basically, this is a treatment. This is a treatment which is given to somebody beneath, under the skin, with the needles. Okay, so that is it. Epidermis is the topmost layer of your skin, which is visible, right? Which is visible here. If you can see this here, okay. Taxidermist is basically somebody. Taxidermist is somebody. If you know that there are goats, right? Sheeps. उनका skin ऊपर का इतना thick होता है. People who mount the skin are called taxidermist, and the process is called taxidermy. Taxidermy, right? Then there is patchy. Okay, wait, let me just remove this first. Patchoderm. Patchy. My jeans has a patchwork. Patchwork means a piece of cloth is there. There's a layer of my jeans, the cloth, and then there is patchwork. So pachyderm are basically the animals who have thick skin. For example, let's say elephant or a rhinoceros, right? So these are those animals, and then there is this word called dermatitis. This is basically an inflammation of skin. So if you've seen sometimes when we touch, our hands are in contact with dust, and then we touch our skin. So red ho jata hai. So that is basically the inflammation. Or if we eat something which is not good for us, or our body doesn't accept it or something, or we get allergy, that is dermatitis, right? I hope this is clear. And yes. Okay, now there is an ophthalmologist. Ophthalmologist. ठीक है. So ophthalmologist कौन होता है? जो आप देखते हैं कि आपकी आंखें ठीक है या नहीं है. आंखें ठीक होने का मतलब ये नहीं होता है कि आंखें कमजोर हो. ठीक है, इसको समझना अच्छे से. ठीक है, हिंदी में अपन समझेंगे. सो आंखें ठीक है कि नहीं, वो ये देखेंगे. बट आंखें कमजोर हैं कि नहीं, वो ये नहीं देखेंगे. ऑप्थेल्मोलॉजिस्ट होते हैं. दे कैन एक्चुअली ट्रीट, दे कैन एक्चुअली परफॉर्म सर्जरी विद ऑन योर आईज. जैसे कि कैटरैक्ट एक प्रॉब्लम होती है, वो होती है लोगों को, दे हैव टू गेट देयर आईज ऑपरेटेड, right? For example, somebody has, a very low power and बहुत visibility problem उनको रहता है. So they get operated by an ophthalmologist, right? वो treatment करते हैं and then आंखें एकदम चकाचक हो जाती हैं, ठीक है? So let's learn a little bit about them. So an ophthalmologist, yes. Okay, so note that PH this and TH in this word, PH and TH is a form of ophthalmos. Like it has come from ophthalmos. This PH which you see here has come from ophthalmos, which means eyes plus logos, signs. Like logos is science or study, which we learned पहले ही हमने सीख लिया था first slide में, ठीक है? So ophthalmos is eyes, logos is science or study, right? So a speciality is, this speciality is called for ophthalmologist is ophthalmology. Logy का मतलब क्या होता है guys? What is logy? Logy is study, ठीक है? Logy is study. कहीं पे भी logy आएगा, that now we must know कि it is about related to study, biology, right? So, for example, now adjective is ophthalmological. Okay, so an earlier title for this physician, I told you physician types of doctors. So physician still occasionally used is oculist, from Latin oculus, eye. Okay. Oculist से आता है from Latin oculus, जिसका मतलब भी होता है eyes. ठीक है, दो हमने पढ़ लिए. सब ocular is an adjective that refers to the eyes. For example, you have itchy eyes and you tell somebody that, so they'll tell, this is an ocular thing, ocular problem. Let's go to an ophthalmologist, right? Then there are optometrists and opticians and optometrists. So basically difference क्या है? Optometrist जो है वो physicians नहीं होता है. They just take care of your sight, your vision. They take care of. They cannot operate on you. Ophthalmologist can operate on your eyes, but optometrist and opticians cannot. They only take care of your sight or your vision, right? Metron means measurement. So they take the measure of your vision. So let's say 1.25 is your power. So they measure it. So optometrist बना है किससे? हमारे ऑप्टिकोस से. ऑप्टोमेट्रिस्ट, ऑप्सिस, ऑप्टिकोस जिसका मतलब होता है साइट और विजन, एंड मेट्रोन इज मेजरमेंट. ठीक है, so the optometrist by etymology is one who measures vision. ठीक है, opticians is built on opsis. ठीक है, opsis which and opticos. Okay, plus expert हमारा suffix हमने जो पढ़ा है. ठीक है, the speciality is optics and adjective is optometrics. So basically opticians जो होते हैं, जो ये आपके glasses ready करते हैं. They see that this is the power and they work on it and they create those beautiful glasses you wear, right? Ophthalmologists check whether there's any problem like cataract or something else with your eyes and they operate. So difference आपको पता चल गया between and optician, right? Okay. Okay, so orthopedist. हमने पढ़ा word pedos, which means child, right? So orthopedist is somebody who treat the skeletal structure of your body. So they take care of your bones and all. So again, before these people, these orthopedists only used to treat children. They used to straighten, they used to, take care of the bones and everything. If somebody broke their leg, then they'll fix it. They'll be operating or whatever. Operation ka to khair, if a bone breaks, doesn't need. But if something major happens, so these people treat them. Orthopedist, right? So पहले PAED मतलब ओके मैम, ये तो फिर सिर्फ चिल्ड्रन को करते होंगे, लेकिन हमने तो सुना है कि ऑर्थोपेडिस्ट जो है एडल्ट्स को भी ट्रीट करता है. सो यस, initially they started with children and then gradually and ultimately now they treat adult people as well. Okay, so here, so the word orthopedist comes from the Latin word called orthos, which means straight or correct. Bone टूट गया, उस पे प्लास्टर करेंगे, उसको स्ट्रेट करेंगे. ठीक है, so orthos, which means straight. Pedos is child, we have already learned. So the orthopedist by etymology straightens children. Etymology की तरफ से देखें तो, but now we know that this person is the doctor. Somebody is an orthopedist, they are a doctor, a proper doctor, right? Who helps you with bones and straighten the. Okay, so curvature अगर किसी चाइल्ड का बाय बर्थ प्रॉब्लम होता था, उसको वो ट्रीट करते थे. ठीक है, सो उन चीजों को सही करना, योर बोन्स, योर स्ट्रक्चर, योर पोस्चर. सो orthopedist help you with that. Adjective orthopedic. This is an orthopedic issue, right? Now there is orthodontia, the straightening of teeth. Orthos plus odontos, which means tooth. Orthos we know to straight, odontos we know tooth. So the orthodontist is somebody who has a specialization in improving your bite, basically your teeth. How your teeth? So these they if you know that if somebody has anateda teeth, the structure is not, the denture is not in a proper structure, so they are treated with braces, right? So a doctor puts the braces and a lot of things are done with their teeth to bring them in a proper structure. So those are orthodontist. हमने सुना है dentist, right? So dentist can help you with other things as well, right? If you have a problem in your tooth, if you have your tooth is now broken or something, or it has a bacteria in it, so a dentist will treat it. But an orthodontist, and a dentist can be an orthodontist, but if they are improving your bites and your structure of the teeth, they will be called as orthodontist, right? See, बहुत ऐसा difference नहीं होता है, right? Dentist, for example, we learned dentist. So now dentist and orthodontist are same because they can do both the things, but a differentiation we are learning here. Okay. Next is a cardiologist. Okay. So दिल चीज. Okay, दिल चीज क्या, आप हमारी जान मत लीजिए, किसी की मत लीजिए. But somebody who treats your heart is called a cardiologist. So cardiologist, this word comes from the root word, Latin word cardia, which means heart. Logos हमको already पता है, अब तक तो याद हो गया होगा. A specialty is called cardiology. The adjective is cardiological, right? So a cardiac condition refers to some malfunctioning of the heart, which we know. A cardiogram is an electrically produced record of the heartbeat. Gram means something drawn or written, right? The instrument that produces the record is called cardiograph. Cardio we know, cardio is heart. What is graph? graph is basically writing. Graphy, writing. Okay. So I hope this is clear. This is very, very easy. This one was easy to understand. Cardio means heart. Logos means science. So cardiologist and expert of heart. Okay, so specialty is cardiology, adjective is cardiological, and then a cardiac condition is a malfunctioning of heart, we all know. And a cardiac disease, we've heard it, cardiac attack, we've heard of, a cardiogram, an electrically produced record. जो बनता है ना ऐसे टंग 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 ऊपर नीचे, that is a cardiogram. That is the record of your heartbeat. And this, yes, we have learned. Very good. So cardiograph is writing of heart. Basically, this instrument is helped to record your heartbeats, whatever is happening in your heart. And with the help of that record, the cardiologist is able to, recognize and understand that, yes, there is some problem. Okay, because in a certain way, this cardiogram has to be in a certain way. If it goes straight, well, that means the person is no more. If it's like, in a very hazard form, so there is a problem. So it has to be in a certain way. Next is neurologist. So दिमाग तो ठिकाने पर है ना, ये check करते हैं. नहीं. So a neurologist is somebody who takes care of your neurological system, right? So a neurologist comes from word neuron, right? Neuron, which means nerve. Okay. Logos is science, again we know. Speciality is neurology, neurological. Okay, so a neurological problem is when you have some problem in your brain. Let's say somebody has, let's say, dementia. So that is a neurological problem, right? So neuralgia is acute pain along the nerve and their branches. Neuron plus algos. Neuron we know, nerve. Algos, okay, we're talking about neuralgia right now. Okay, if you get if you get confused, so I've marked it here. So which comes from a word neuron, which means here nerve, and algos is pain. So neuralgia is when you have pain in your nerves. Other branches. कभी कभी होता है ना, even if you do not have any problem, you have some pain around your body, a pinching pain which comes and just goes. So that is neuralgia. And okay, and neuritis is an inflammation of the nerve. Inflammation of a nerve, for example, you get a cramp. You were walking or running and you get a cramp. So neuritis will happen. Inflammation. थोड़ा सा nerve में stress आ जाएगा. So that is neuritis. Pronunciation would be neuritis only. And there can be multiple pronunciation for a single word. So let's not stress on pronunciations, because English language has one rule, which is no pronunciation rule. For example, beauty but, beauty put, right? So do not stress, just keep on working and things will get better, right? And neurosis, combining neuron with osis, a suffix which means abnormal, is basically neurosis is a problem, which is an abnormal problem, which is a disease. So neurosis, when you combine it with neuron and osis becomes neurosis, and neurosis is a problem when you have your, some abnormality in your nerves or some disease with them. Okay. So neurotic is both the adjective form and the term for a person suffering from neurosis. Okay, it is both. Neurotic. If somebody is suffering from neurosis, can be called as neurotic. Okay. Okay. Yes. Now, the most important, not most important, but somewhere a little typical, is psychiatrist. Psychiatrist. These are the people who ask you, सब हो गया, सब ठीक है क्या, मतलब, और सब ठीक हो जाएगा, bro. So psychiatrist, and there's this term which is psychiatrist and psychologist, right? Psychologist. So what is the difference between? Is there any difference between psychiatrist and psychologist? So, okay, so there is a minor difference. So psychiatrist and psychologist both take care of your mental well-being, right? Both take care of your mental well-being. But this person, a psychologist, treat you in more of, uh, with the help of behavioral things, and they treat you with some, normal treatments by the talking therapy or something like that. But a psychiatrist can also do that, but they can, along with that, they can give you or provide you or prescribe you medicines as well. Okay. So a psychiatrist and psychologist both help you with your mental well-being, but psychologist will always treat in a different way by talking therapy, behavioral therapies and all. Whereas a psychiatrist will do that also, but they will see that if you need any medicine or something, they will give you that also, right? So a psychologist cannot prescribe medicines, but a psychiatrist can prescribe medicines to you. Okay, so one thing, guys, if just in case my network goes, so just wait. If there's a problem in my network or something like that, just wait for some time. Just a second. Yeah. Okay. So we learned neuro, which is nerve. So a neurosis is not a form of mental unbalance, but if you have, for example, you have headache, right? So if you have dementia, if you have headache, if you have migraine, so a neurologist will treat, and it will be a neurosis. Like, it will be called neurosis. So it is not a form of mental unbalance, but it is a problem. It is an abnormal disease. It is something like that. It is. Right. Yes. So a full-blown mental disorder is called psychosis. Why? Because psyche means spirit. Psyche means spirit. Psyche is the Latin word which means spirit, soul, and mind. Plus osis. Right? Osis we learned here. No. Yes. The suffix osis, which means abnormal. उसी से क्या आया? Neurosis. याद रखना है पीछे जा जाके, ठीक है? Yes. So, psychosis, which comes from a Latin word psyche, which means spirit, soul, or mind, plus osis, which means you tell me. Ab no. Yeah. So a true psychotic has lost contact with reality. So ये मैंने ऐसे ही लिखा है. But psychotic, if you call somebody a psychotic, that we very normally call somebody a psychotic. If somebody is quite different, we just say very normally that he's a psychotic. But no, a psychotic is somebody who are, yes, they're different and who think differently basically, and who have their own world and own thoughts. So do not judge these kind of people, but you should, if you do not feel very comfortable or something, should or must stay away from such people, right? Psyche plus iteria, which meant medical healing. हमने पहले पढ़ा था. A psychiatrist is etymologically is a mind healer, right? Psyche means spirit, soul, mind. Iatria is medical healing. A psychiatrist is a mind healer. Simple. Speciality is psychiatry. Psychiatric is an adjective. Psychiatric. Pediatric, somebody who helps children. Okay, who helps children. Pediatric. Why pedia? We know pediatric. Atric यहाँ से आता है e इस word से, which means medical healing. So mental healing of or medical healing pediatric. हमने अभी पीछे पढ़ा भी था pediatric. As you know, is also built on this word, as in podiatry. अभी हमने पीछे पढ़ा, उसी का एग्जाम्पल आ गया. लाइक दिस मीन्स मेडिकल हीलिंग. अब ये वर्ड कहीं पे भी आएगा, लाइक पीडियाट्रिक्स फॉर एग्जाम्पल आ गया. यस, बेसिकली साइकियाट्रिस्ट आया, जैसे हमारे पास साइकोलॉजिस्ट आया. So we know that it is medical healing. If it is this psyche, we know it is related to mind. If this PEDI, right, something related to pedia, so we know it is related to children. Now there's been one new thing, which is this geriatrics, the specialty dealing with the particular medical needs of elderly. How? Because geris is old age, and the specialty is geriatricians, and adjective is geriatrics. Right? So this we will continue from next sessions, as the this will be in, this was our 6th, 7th, 8th, and 9th. So this will continue there. This one, right? So today's session was short, simple, and maybe boring, right? But we've learned about so many things today. And yes, this was session 4, 5, and 6. It was small. And if you found it boring, do not worry. Now I have a homework for you. For example, I told we learned about internist. Then we learned that internus is the Latin word and inside is the meaning. Now you know something INTER, inter. If comes somewhere, it means inside. Right, so I want, this is your homework, that write all the Latin roots and their meanings. They are here in this PDF only. For example, gynae. So women, you write. Logos is science. Then there's obstetrics. So obstetrics, midwife. पहले से आया, right? Midwife means stand. So आप इन words को लिखेंगे. Cian, CIAN, expert. This is a suffix basically, which is used. Right? For example, politician, physician, that only we know. obstetrician. So these are experts. Sure, you can take pedos and you can write child. So write all the Latin roots and then their meaning, and then you can, go through that notebook if you've written it in your diary or somewhere. Just go through it once and then you will remember. बैठ के रटना नहीं है, समझना है बस, कि रटने का कुछ नहीं है इसमें. ठीक है? Now we're done with today's yes, we've done this. Yes. So we're done with today's word power made easy, which was very, very easy. So from next week, we will try that we cover it, quickly, because I feel that it might have become boring for you. But okay, but आज हमने कुछ तो पढ़ा, कुछ तो समझा. ठीक है? So, and in the end, just believe, because uh, that is the only way we will achieve everything. We will achieve things. So just believe in yourself, believe in whatever you are doing, and just keep doing. Okay. So all the best. Comment your doubts, your questions, if you have any, in the comment box, and I'll see them and I'll try to respond as well. If there's something else you want me to teach you or something like that, or any question, anything, you can just very openly comment down below. Okay, bye bye.